somehow this is plowed. Look at it. East Mullet got plowed recently. It's in the process right now. They need to go do Old Onaway Road, for God's sake, because jeez. It's like my subdivision got hit. When I was coming out, I was like, what the heck is going on here? But this is plowed. This is the nicest road out here